Hi guys, not quite sure how this is going to work out, but I've got a couple of requests. Jonas Martin reckons I did a video, or was doing videos, of having my breakfast and talking about my projects whilst eating coffee. I don't remember ever doing one like that, but I did do some cooking Grandad style, where I'm really having a light-hearted poke at some of my friends who do cooking videos, because I'm no cook. Anyway, recently Pat's Garage Woes asked for more cooking videos. Now this is going to be sort of a mixture of the two of them. I'm going to make my breakfast. I'm going to try and do it one-handed, which is going to be a problem. So first thing, we need to put the kettle on. We need some cups. I suppose we ought to have one of my special cups for me. And my wife has one of those. And we need tea. How are we going to do this? We're not. Let's put the camera on the tripod. Right, camera on tripod. Tea for me. Coffee for the lady. What else do we have? I have vitamin pills. That's at summertime. Antihistamine. Need one of them. Of them. I have porridge. My wife has muesli, or something like that anyway. That's my milk. I'll do this because people will get upset. I have some orange juice to have my pills. Okay. Cereal, I have grapes. My wife has blueberries and grapes. This one goes down in a microwave. 3 minutes. Move the camera around here. And do the fruit. So, some blueberries. They do have a habit of going mouldy before we get to use them. They don't last very long, so I have to check them. And some grapes. And go in there. That's a good start to the day. I don't know if you can see that, but those grapes are mouldy. There'll only be a few on the top. Rest are okay. Right, that's for my porridge. I save the water, just in case anybody wonders. Those can go back in the fridge. And the blueberries. Right, might have heard the microwave's just finished. Stir the coffee. Tea bag out with the tea. Milk on cereal. Milk in the tea. Not so easy doing this with one hand. To make two journeys, because you might have worked out this is all in a sequence, everything timed just right. using the minimum number of implements. That one goes in the dishwasher. So there we are. That's my breakfast ready and my wife's breakfast ready. The other bit was talking about projects. Well, we're not going to sit and talk about projects, but we'll just let you see a few of the things that I've got to do. Guilo's Jetfire gliders, rubber bands for rubber band launch, catapult launch. That is one of my charity shop gold or garbage visits. That little car needs fixing. Got a couple of Mini Coopers down there. Maisto Extreme Beast radio controlled car, and at the moment, look at that, it's a beautiful sunny day out there, blue sky, everything. Haven't decided what we're going to do today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.